Regular plurals. Singular mean one, plural mean more than one or many. While changing from singular to plural, we generally add s to the end of the word. For example, dog, dogs, bag, bags, snake, snakes. When the singular nouns ending in s, ss, x, ch, ss sounds, we add es. For example, dress, dresses, fox, foxes, watch, watches, dish, dishes. When the regular nouns ending in y, we change y into I and then add es. For example, family, families, party, parties, city, cities, story, stories. When the regular nouns ending in y and the vowel is the second last letter, we do not change y into I. We simply add s. For example, day, days, key, keys, toy, toys, monkey, monkeys. Regular nouns ending in f sounds, we change f into v, then add es. For example, leaf, leaves, knife, knives, wife, wives, self, selves.